Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
This girl gave her plain seat neighbor a free makeover mid-flight. Pretty sure they're friends now. A whole crowd helped a stranger find her lost earbuds. Humanity restored.
There's currently 13 people.
Helping a senior cross the street takes only a few seconds, but means the world. This girl jumped into the sea to save a drowning kitten. That's the kind of world I want to live in. Someone gave a homeless man a blanket and probably warmed his soul, not just his body.